Yo, welcome back to Mystery Barkitchen. Today we got another one, another Southern classic. We got us some green beans with smoked turkey and red potatoes. Sit tight, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do this. Alright, as always, make sure that you pause this video, screenshot all the ingredients, get everything you need, and let's get to it. Alright, here's all the ingredients. We got our green beans, our fresh green beans. We got some onions. We got some chicken bouillon paste. Better than bouillon, that is. We got some red potatoes. We got some fresh garlic. We got some smoked turkey. Yeah, we got all the seasonings. We got everything we need. Alright, make sure you have everything and follow along. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your smoked turkey going because it's going to take a long time, alright? So go ahead and get your onions in and let's go ahead and start building some flavor. And if you know me, we like to build flavor, so let's start with the onions first. Get us some garlic in there, then go ahead and add your smoked turkey in. I do the same thing when I'm in my collard greens. I like to try to extract some of the flavor from the turkey and kind of build some fond at the bottom, a little caramelization to get that flavor built, alright? Go ahead and do that. Then after you do that, go ahead and get you some water in there and make sure that you submerge the turkey in the water so we can cook this down without it burning, okay? And next we're gonna go ahead and add some seasoning. So we got some onion powder, we got some garlic powder, we got some black pepper, we got some complete seasoning, we got some red pepper flakes, we got some chicken bouillon paste. You know what I'm saying? Go ahead and mix that up real good and make sure that you taste this and make sure that it's not salty and it's nice and flavorful before you put the lid on it, right? And let that cook for about 45 minutes. Alright, go ahead and get your green beans and clean them. So what you want to do is you want to take off that stem and make sure the stem is off. Make sure that it's not brown. And then go ahead and wash them, dry them, and then we're going to go ahead and cook them, alright? So let me show you how to do a couple more. Make sure you do it just like this. This is how my mom used to do it. My grandma used to do it. They cook it just like this. You know what I'm saying? Good old times, you heard me? Alright, so now you want to get your red potatoes. Make sure you wash them real good. Get all that dirt off. You don't clean any stems off. All that crap, get that all off before you do this, alright? And then what you want to do is you want to quarter them. So you want to go ahead and cut them in half and cut them into quarters like this. Nice bite-sized potatoes, okay? This is what you're looking for. And what you want to do is to stop these from turning brown, you want to get yourself a bowl or a Tupperware or whatever and add cold water to it, okay? I already washed them a few times to get some of that excess starch off. Now I'm adding some water to it to keep it from turning brown. And then we're going to put this in the refrigerator for a little bit until we need to use it so they won't turn brown, okay? Go ahead and do that and let's move on to the next step. Alright, let's go ahead and check our turkey. And when you take the lid off, always make sure you lift the lid away from you so you won't get burned by the steam, alright? The turkey is nice and tender, ready to be removed. So we're going to go ahead and remove the turkey out. This was like 45 minutes. So it may be longer for you or less. You know, it all depends on the behavior of your stove or whatever you're using. So make sure you cook that down to nice and tender, all right? And then, once you get that out, go ahead and add your green beans in. Now this part don't take that long. Even though they're fresh green beans, you don't want to cook it that long because you want it to be nice and colorful. You don't want it to be like you're making canned goods, you know what I'm saying? Like in canned goods, they like real cooked down and soggy. I don't like that. And I'm pretty sure, well, I don't know. Some of y'all may actually like that, but I don't like that. So, you know, I'm just going to cook it down for maybe like 15 minutes until it's nice and soft, but not too soggy, feel me? Go ahead and add your smoked turkey back in once you shred it down real good. And then once you shred that down, go ahead and add your potatoes in. Because at this point, by the time the potatoes get tender, you're done. 15, 20 minutes, maybe more, depending on how thick your potatoes are, you know, and how much you have inside your pot and the behavior of your stove. It may take a little longer, but either way, just make sure you get it to it nice and tender. Then now, add your slap your mama season to it because again, if you watch my collard green video, you know I like to add my salt at the end because I don't want this salty because I know it's going to reduce down and I don't want this to be salty. So make sure that you add your salt at the end right before everything is done. Check your potatoes, make sure they're nice and tender, and if they are, go ahead and plate this up. Alright, so go ahead in the comment section and let me know how you guys make your green beans and potatoes. Do you do it the same way I do it? Or you make it a little different? You know, let me know in the comment section. I've seen people do it with sausage and bacon too. It looks fire, I just never tried it yet, but let me know if you tried it that way. All right, if you like this video and you want to follow us on the journey, make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment, and share it, and we'll see you in the next one. And remember, if it ain't good, throw the whole plate away. I'm dead serious.